Yes, that's right. You see it. Pennsylvania State Police trooper accused of official oppression after allegedly serving involuntary mental health commitment to a woman he knew. Not only did he know her, he knew her quite intimately. Also, I do this at the end, but I understand a lot of people don't make it to the end of these videos, so I'm going to harass you right now. 93% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You're at your computer, you got your phone in your hand, all you gotta do is click the button and I'll quit harassing you. So, yeah, this is in Pennsylvania. We got an article or two and a video, and let's see what's up with this. Trooper Ronald Davis claimed the woman exhibited signs that she was going to harm herself, police said. He allegedly assaulted her while trying to serve a warrant. Now, I'm going to pop up here and go to reader mode because you see them ads just don't want to go away. Trying to serve a warrant. Jonestown, Pennsylvania. A Pennsylvania State Police trooper has been charged with multiple offenses, including strangulation and unlawful restraint, after he allegedly served a female acquaintance with an involuntary mental health commitment, claiming she had told him she was going to harm herself. Ronald Davis, 37, of Williamston, is a member of Troop L in Jonestown, according to the criminal complaint filed against him. He has been a trooper since 2015. Davis has been suspended pending the outcome of the case against him, the Dauphin County District Attorney's Office said. Davis is accused of attempting to convince fellow troopers that the victim in the case was suicidal, police said. The victim was transported to a hospital in Alphabet County for evaluation and held for 72 hours before being released on August 25th. The investigation of the incident determined that the victim was not suicidal and that she and Davis had been in a relationship that had ended the week before he received the involuntary mental health commitment. Davis allegedly did not disclose the personal nature of his relationship with the victim when he told the other troopers he believed she was going to harm herself, the investigation claims. According to police, Davis received the involuntary mental health commitment after he went to the station and was told to contact Dauphin County Crisis Intervention. Although he was contacting them for a personal reason, Davis allegedly told the crisis team he was a trooper and used his work email to submit the form, police said. After he received the commitment, Davis allegedly engaged the aid of a civilian to help him locate the witness in Weiser State Forest, where he claimed she said via text message that she was going to throw herself off a cliff. When Davis found the victim, the civilian began recording the encounter at Davis' request, police said. The recording allegedly shows Davis assaulting the woman as he attempted to restrain her. The woman is heard expressing confusion over why she is being restrained and stating that she couldn't breathe several times over the course of the confrontation. Davis allegedly is seen throwing the woman to the ground when she attempted to escape, police said. Over the course of the encounter, police said, I hope the police can say one or two more times, Davis never stated that he was acting as a state police trooper, nor did he ever identify himself as one. Also, he was off duty, according to the official paperwork. When other troopers arrived after being dispatched to the scene, the recording shows that the woman is still confused while the troopers attempted to explain the mental health commitment process. The woman is heard asking, why am I being arrested for having a fight with my boyfriend, in the recording, according to police. The troopers documented several injuries observed on the woman, including multiple bruises and other injuries consistent with an assault. The investigation also determined that text messages Davis showed the other troopers during his attempt to get the involuntary mental health commitment were taken out of context to make it seem like she wanted to harm herself, police said. In an interview with police following her release from the hospital, the woman said she had exaggerated some statements in order to elicit a response from Davis, but at no point did she ever express a desire to harm herself. Police determined the text message exchanges between Davis and the victim were in the nature of a domestic dispute and that the victim did not exhibit any signs of self-harm. After the investigation, police charged Davis with a felony count of strangulation, a misdemeanor counts of unlawful restraint, false imprisonment, simple assault, official oppression, and recklessly endangering another person. Davis is currently being held in Dauphin County Prison after his bail request was denied, according to court records. His preliminary hearing is scheduled for October 2nd. Alrighty. I want to say this was in 2023. Anyway, let's go to the video. If we can get the, to stop. Yeah, September 2023. I know, it's in 2023. Give me a damn minute. We're working up to it.
Did you have, what is wrong with you? I don't need help. I need to get away from you. No. This isn't normal. I don't care what anybody says. Can I please stand up? Okay.
Is he dressed like he's on duty?
I'm not going to any jail. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not going anywhere. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. What is wrong with you? Would you do this? Would you? I thought. Okay. Please let me go.
Also, I would like to note, this is his girlfriend or ex-girlfriend. Side note, shh, don't tell nobody. It's a secret. He is married with 2 kids.
You just called the cops on me. You're a cop. You're a fucking pussy. What the fuck is wrong with you? I've lived all over the world, and not one time has anyone ever come up, tackled me, attacked me, and called the cops on me for existing in the woods. Never. Ever. All because of the consequences of your actions, because you don't like the truth. That's not... People like you shouldn't have any form of power. That's fucked up. But if you want to sit on me, and you call the cops on me, for what? For what? Oh, because I'm around a sociopath who says he can do whatever the fuck he wants. Women are objects, he can fuck whoever he wants. I'd be happy to tell them that. You're insane. You're absolutely insane. You're fucking insane. Like, and then you paint me to look insane as I'm sitting on the ground with my head slammed into this and that by a cop who called the cops on me. Do you realize how insane you are? Can you please get off of me? You can't just walk up to someone and attack them and then call the cops on them and say you're gonna, like, that's not okay. Get off of me. You just called the cops on me for existing. What the fuck is wrong with you? Like, I don't understand what the fuck I was thinking. 37 years of my life, this has never happened to me. Ever. 4 months after meeting you, I get tackled. That's real disgrace. What the fuck are you doing? I don't need help. I just need to get away from you. That's the problem. I mean, I don't know why you don't like when your truth, I just tell it back to you. Like, I don't know why you don't like that. But this is unacceptable behavior. Totally unacceptable. What the fuck? Like, come on, dude. What is wrong with you? Who does that?
The cops.
You don't give a shit about anything except yourself. And if this is caring, you have a very fucked up delusional way of expressing it. Get off of me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong except disagree with you. Let me go. You can't just tackle me like that. Get off of me. I can't breathe. I can't.
Don't fight him.
Please let me go.
No.
Please let me go. I can't. Can I just sit up?
No.
I can't breathe. Why won't they listen to that? I just... Please let me breathe. I can't. I need my... I can't. Can you please breathe? Sit up and breathe. Please. What's breathing wrong? I'm not happy whatsoever.
Notice he has his arm around her throat, her neck. And I don't know why whoever's recording it can't get in frame.
You're on my computer? No, we won't. That's not fair. That's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Would you just please not let him put anything on my name or my record? Like, I didn't do anything. That's all I asked. I didn't do anything.
I don't think that's the situation.
Huh?
I don't think that's the situation. Nobody's here to hurt you. At all.
Really?
Stand up. I didn't do anything wrong.
Watch your antenna, please.
Please. Please. I didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, Mr. Recording Guy, can we get on the subject?
Please stop.
He must...
Give me a tree like a human being. Please. Can you do that? Can I stand here and put my things together? You can watch me all you want. You can watch me all you want. That's not fair. And I didn't do anything wrong to get away from you. I don't understand. I can't relax. You just called the cops on me for existing. I didn't like your truth. Jesus, dude. Come on. What the fuck? What? Why are you treating me like I'm a criminal? I didn't do anything. I just want to be able to stand.
Back and find out where they are.
I just want to be able to stand. This isn't fair.
I'll talk.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything.
Where are they? Okay, tell them to step it up. She is fighting me in a
I'm not sure what all this is
Tell
about.
them to hurry up.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong.
This videographer sucks.
I didn't do anything wrong.
He needs to be looking through whatever he's recording on.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. You can't take me against my will. I didn't do anything wrong. Well, I have to fight your battle. Okay, here we go. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. You're not taking my things against my will. You're not taking me anywhere. It's not possible. You can't make up that I assaulted you. I just didn't agree with your truth. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I just left. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Please, stop. Please stop so I can get the hair out of my face. That would be really nice. Please. What? Can I just get the hair out of my face? I can't go anywhere. The cops are in the way anyway, but I don't even know what I did. Please? Please. Please. Come on. What did I do? This is not fair. Can I stand up, please? I can't breathe again. Okay,
Boy.
Can I stand here?
Yes.
Can I just stand and get my arms back?
Yep.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Oh. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? All right. Here we go. I could happy tell them I don't even know why you're here. I didn't agree with your truth. I put my Stay in the car? Why? I didn't do anything. What the fuck? I didn't do anything wrong. You're around my stomach again.
I'm not even touching you.
Okay. Okay. All right. You cannot take me against my will for a domestic dispute. That's not even in your handbook. Like, I don't get it. I don't understand what you tried to paint of me. I don't know what happened. I don't know. What is wrong with you? I don't know what's gonna happen here? What did you do? Just attack me? What is going on? What is happening?
Police will explain it to you.
Why? I don't, what the fuck? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything. 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 Then why are cops coming for me? To help me with what? You?
Good luck.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Like just.
Stay in the main.
I didn't do anything.
Yep.
And of course, here they come at 9,000 miles an hour.
What did I do? You kept pressing it.
So, that's where we're at with that. I don't believe there's another video that follows that. No, that was it. So, police determined a text message exchange between Davis and the victim were in the nature of a domestic dispute, and the victim did not exhibit any signs of self-harm. After an investigation, police charged Davis with a felony count of strangulation, a misdemeanor count of unlawful restraint, false imprisonment, simple assault, official oppression, and recklessly endangering another person. And we saw that. And even in an interview with police following her release from the hospital, a woman said she had exaggerated some statements in response, tried to get a response from him. Hold up. October 2nd. Davis never stated he was acting as a state police trooper, nor did he identify himself as one, and he wasn't dressed as one. I'm just saying, normally they got the outfits on and the ties and the dickhead hats. He's got the shaved head for it. Anyway, it said even, I think it was that last article, said that even at the hospital, they didn't think that she was a threat to herself. So then he said, according to police records obtained by PennLive.com, Davis reported 2 hours of overtime for serving an involuntary commitment warrant amounting to $286.68 following his arrest. State police rescinded the overtime pay and deducted it from his final paycheck, the report said. Has been since 2015, Troop L. And that's where we're at with that. So, what happened to him? Surely there was some accountability, right? You would think. Trooper acquitted on charges of tackling involuntarily committing girlfriend to hospital. Oh, it's escalated to the girlfriend. And this is from last October. Degenerate. Shaved head. You should have seen that coming. Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania State Police Trooper has been acquitted of charges related to the false imprisonment and assault of a former girlfriend. Now, you saw the same video I saw. Wait till you hear what it, because it was a bench trial, so that means only the judge is going to decide what's going to happen to him. In September of 2023, Ronald Keith Davis, then 37, of Williamston, was arrested following an investigation that revealed he allegedly tracked down his girlfriend, tackled her, and had her committed to a mental health facility after he claimed she was suicidal, according to court documents. We saw it. Davis joined Pennsylvania State Police in Jonestown in 2015, but was off duty when he restrained a victim and had her committed, police said in an affidavit. The victim denied ever being suicidal, telling investigators the pair had been having trouble in their relationship due to Davis' attempt to control her, and he started acting differently after she mentioned possibly moving away. Interviews with a witness and medical professionals who spoke with the victim after she was hospitalized corroborated the victim's statement that she was not a danger to herself, investigators said. I knew I saw that somewhere. The 2023 investigation found that Davis improperly manipulated the law enforcement mechanism in order to find the victim, assault her, and have her committed. He was charged with strangulation, unlawful restraint, serious bodily injury, false imprisonment, simple assault, official oppression, arrest, search, etc., and recklessly endangering another person. He was arrested September 21st, 2023, and posted bail that October. Now, Dauphin County District Attorney Fran Chardo confirmed on Thursday that Davis had been acquitted of those charges. He was acquitted, Chardo told CBS 21. The judge sits in place of a jury. Like jury, his verdict speaks for itself. He had a reasonable doubt about the defendant's guilt. Did he not see the video? Did he not get the memo? Because I am completely confused about how he reasonably doubts the defendant's guilt. Is working to learn more about the judge's decision. Yeah, I can't find anything more about that either, but that's where we're at with this degenerate. So yeah, let me know what you think about this psychopath. And it said, hold up, suspended from Pennsylvania State Police without pay, authorities said. Because we read the first one, but suspended without pay, and this is the acquittal one. Because one of them said he was on administrative desk duty or some shit. Yeah. So anyway, you suspended without pay. So yeah, that's where I'll see if I can find something else on this one and maybe put a suspended trooper. Yeah. Update to, I don't know. At this point, he'll probably just go somewhere else and be somebody else's problem. Anyway, let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 93% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You're sitting right there at your computer. You got your phone in your hand. Click the button. I'll quit harassing you, and I'm out.